I just started watching this new series, The Watchers on Netflix. So far it's like really creepy. It's about one of those movies where the house is like haunted and people moving, you know, stuff like that. Shit. Rats. What the fuck?
What do you mean there's nothing you can do?
Yeah. How much do you think a ferret weighs? What's that? About a pound, right? Pound?
Probably, yeah.
Right, so how fast do you think a suicidal ferret would have to be running into a wall to get enough momentum to crush his own fucking skull?
Go to the Drake, fuck it out, making them pay. It's high and niggas won't take it, hey. I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me violence.
Like, you're so cute, honestly. Like, he's a bit weird, but...
I'm not saying I'll divorce you.
But separated?
I'm not saying I won't.
What? Girl. I just washed my hair. Sorry about the fan. But I just washed my hair. I'm filming a... what's it called? A wash day routine. So I just filmed the shower part. And I just edited the clips actually. So now I'm about to continue filming. The time, hold on. The time is 10:08. Honestly, I'm a vampire at this point because I work at night. I don't even know what. But yeah, so I'm about to clear up and set up me. Then I'm going to do my hair at home. I'm excited. Okay, so I have this thing that you guys know that I attached to my head. So I've been watching tutorials. Oh my god. Sorry. I've been watching tutorials on how to do twists because I really want to do twists. And I kind of enjoy doing my hair myself, which is kind of weird, but I kind of like it. From like the last time I did my hair, I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. And I don't know, I think I mentioned it before, but I'm really into like natural hairstyles. So I've been watching tutorials, so I'm going to make this into like twist. So I'm just like really excited to that, but that's going to be another video because like the content there, and I'm just really excited to see like how I'm gonna do it. So I got this from a colleague. We did a gift exchange at work, which I'm not sure I vlogged ever because like I'm a weird as a YouTuber. Also today I had 3 bowls of oatmeal because my daggone ass. I'm eating oatmeal like a cereal. What's that about? I don't know. But yeah, I'm going to cook some more shop. Girl, I'm so dramatic. Okay, really, let me just get my shit in. Welcome to another Vlogtober. Okay, bye.
Take me. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's high and niggas won't take it. Hey, I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Way out here having this way. And like the third me go out. Hey, what? Hey, look. Now that I'm picking it through, I just ain't fell in love because I'm way too old.
Hey guys, good evening. I'm preparing dinner now, but I want to show you guys something. So I'm using this Tasty Tom jollof mix paste to prepare jollof rice, and I've never tried it before, but I like the way it smells right now. So I just wanted to, I'll let you guys know how I like it, but so far the smell is like really nice. So
wait, and she try fucking a rapper to break on my heart, but my heart doesn't break. As soon as I link with these niggas, they feelings are written.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack, yeah, yeah.
Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine.
Go ahead and get me blade. Okay.
Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing.
Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to this is not welcome back, this is still a new vlog. Anyway, see, today is Sunday and on my way out, my friend invited me for an event in Landmark. You guys, the event was scheduled for 2. I'm leaving my house at 3. It's on the island. Bro. But I'm about to leave now. I just got ready. I did laundry, did dishes, cleaned up a little bit, did my makeup. I wanted to film, but I was not feeling it. I had a rough night, so this one. Anyway, so I just wanted to start this intro because I wanted to start. Girl, this is buzzing. Okay, but let me show you guys what I'm wearing. This background is not giving, but let me show you guys what I'm wearing. It's something really cute. It's like a, how do I put it? It's a conference and then they're going to the beach after, but I didn't know what to wear. But then he said he was wearing a suit, so I'm like, let's channel that vibe. So I have this black dress. It's like, so yeah, it's just a black dress. Guys, I'm so late. He has texted me, so I just need to get on the journey so that when I say I'm on my way, I will not be lying. Okay, bye.
Yeah, I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for the.
Hey guys, so I just got, no, that's a lie. I've been home for at least 30 minutes. You guys, it started raining, like, bro, it was crazy. So I've just been home for a while. I'm watching Blacklist. I was thinking of filming, but honestly, tomorrow is Monday. It's like literally almost my bedtime. I have to take off this makeup and just sleep for tomorrow because I didn't sleep early last night. So yeah, I'm really happy I went for the event. I did film a mini vlog on Instagram that should be up by the time this goes up. So yeah, I'm really happy I went, just because like it's something new, something different. And if you have an event, please invite me, okay? Because I just like to be around that kind of space. I feel like being there just felt like it was the right place for me to be. And yeah, guys, my makeup, I didn't blot, like, see my face. I literally had this makeup for like 9 hours and it's still thinking. I mean, granted, there are like separation lines here and like I think under my eyes a bit creased, but like oil didn't peek through, which is something that was a big deal for me because I was under the sun for a bit. Like, I'm talking 4 hours. I was under the sun for 4 hours, so I didn't want the makeup to start bleeding, and it didn't. All I needed was air condition to dry it up, and it literally stayed like all day. So I'm really grateful for that. So yeah, I hope I have enough footage for the vlog that I'm filming. I've been filming the vlog for like 2 weeks now, guys. I don't even know what it is, but yeah, because I do want to start a new video tomorrow. That's why I don't know, man. Hey guys, so I was going through the footage from this vlog and I realized that I never showed you guys what my hair looked like. Like if you've watched the main video, you would have seen it, but I never showed like the vlog what the hair looks like. So let me do that now before I take off my makeup. Okay, so this is giving very dreadlocky type, bohemian type hair, and it's getting really old and like cheesy. The patterns are no longer visible, which is something I like. Like you guys, I like hair like this. Like this is totally my jam. It's looking like, you know, locks type, chunky, rough situation, which is what I actually wanted. So yeah, I just wanted to oh Jesus. So I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like. So it's just, so yeah, I'm really considering dreading my hair, because you guys, when I tell you that the dreads I did last year, one of the best hairstyles I've ever done, and the only reason why I don't want to do it again is because of how much hair I lost taking that thing off. Because at a point it was growing into my hair, so it was just ridiculous. So yeah, I think that's it for tonight. Honestly, I've checked the footage and I have enough footage, so that's it for me, my loves. Good night and happy end of month.